Hey guys, it's me Sukushi and you are watching my channel SciEx Show. So in the last video, I told you about a property of air that air occupies space. So in this video, again I'm going to show you a property of air, but this time it would be air has weight. So in this experiment, we need two balloons with the same size, a thread, tape, a compass or a toothpick and a stick. So what we are going to do, take these two balloons and tie it with this stick. Like this. Now take a tape or a thread and make it like this. It's a little bit tilted right now. Okay. Yeah. Now you will see that it's at a perfect balance and in an equal position. Now take this compass. And what we are going to do, we will pop this up. And hold on your ears. And you see that this part is now tilting. Because this part has air in it and it is still heavy because it has something in it and that is air. And this popped up one, now when we popped it up, the air escaped and now it has nothing in it. So from this we get to approve, will approve that air has weight. So if you like my video, please give me a like, comment and subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.